Welcome to Speak Well Academy. Today, we're going to listen to an inspiring story about Alex's incredible life journey, filled with dreams, adventures, and challenges. This video will help you improve your English listening and pronunciation skills. Remember to follow along with the transcript as you listen. Hi, I'm Alex. I grew up in Australia with my Italian father and Australian mother. My father, Giuseppe, was a hard-working man who always valued safety and caution. My mother, Margaret, was full of life and had an adventurous spirit, which I believe I inherited. I had a lively household with one brother, Marco, and two sisters, Sophia and Isabella. From a young age, I dreamed of exploring new places and seeing the world. I remember staring at the map on my bedroom wall, tracing routes with my fingers and imagining all the adventures I would have. However, my father was always cautious and worried about my safety. Father, Giuseppe, the world is a dangerous place, Alex. You need to be careful. Mother, Margaret, let him dream, Giuseppe. Adventure runs in his blood. Despite my father's worries, I eventually convinced my parents to let me travel. It wasn't easy. I had to prove that I was responsible and prepared for the challenges ahead. I saved money for my part-time job and planned every detail of my trip. Alex, I promise I'll be careful, Dad. I've saved enough money, and I've planned everything. Father, Giuseppe, all right, Alex. Just promise me you'll come back safe. With their reluctant blessing, I joined a friend on a thrilling sailing trip to Sydney. My friend, Jack, was an experienced sailor, and we both shared a passion for the sea. During the trip, we encountered a fierce storm. The waves were towering, and the wind howled like a wild beast. I felt scared, gripping the side of the boat, my heart pounding in my chest. But overcoming my fear during that storm made me realize my love for the sea and the thrill of adventure. Jack, hold on tight, Alex. We'll get through this. Alex, I'm not giving up, Jack. We can do this. My journey took a darker turn when we faced an even bigger storm and encountered a pirate ship. Captured and enslaved, my life changed drastically. The pirates were ruthless, and I was forced into hard labor. The days were long, and the nights were filled with uncertainty. Pirate Captain, you're our slave now. Do as you're told or face the consequences. Alex, I won't give up. I will find a way out of this. With the help of a courageous young woman named Maria and a brave young boy named Leo, I managed to escape slavery. Maria had been enslaved for years, and Leo was an orphan who had grown up on the ship. Together, we faced numerous challenges and embarked on many adventures. Maria, we have to stick together if we want to survive. Leo, I know a way out. Follow me. Our journey was fraught with danger, but we also experienced moments of hope and friendship. We traversed dense jungles, crossed raging rivers, and navigated through unfamiliar towns. Each challenge brought us closer and made us stronger. After many hardships, I finally returned to England and reunited with my family. It was a joyous and emotional moment. Seeing my family's faces after so long filled me with a sense of accomplishment and relief. Mother, Margaret, Alex, you're home. We've missed you so much. Father, Giuseppe, welcome back, son. I'm proud of you. I received a job offer to manage a trading business in London. With hard work and determination, I built a successful career there. I learned the ins and outs of trade and commerce, making valuable connections and expanding the business. Boss, you've done an excellent job, Alex. We're fortunate to have you. Alex, thank you. I strive to do my best every day. In London, I met my wonderful spouse, and we married and had 2 children together. We continued to travel and explore the world as a family. Our children, Emma and James, inherited our love for adventure, and we made it a point to explore new places together. And life with you is an adventure, Alex. Alex, and I wouldn't have it any other way. Eventually, we settled on an island, where we helped develop its infrastructure and trade. It became a new chapter of our adventurous life. We worked with the local community, helping to build schools, hospitals, and businesses. Our island home flourished, and we were proud of what we had accomplished. Local leader, your contributions have transformed our island. Thank you. Alex, we're happy to be part of this wonderful community. Throughout my life, I documented my experiences to inspire others to pursue their dreams and embrace the beauty of the world. I wrote books, gave talks, and shared my stories with anyone willing to listen. In my later years, I mentored young adventurers and entrepreneurs, sharing my knowledge and experiences with them. Young adventurer, your stories have inspired me to follow my dreams, Alex. Alex, always remember, the world is full of possibilities. Never stop exploring. Alex's story is a testament to the power of dreams, resilience, and the beauty of exploring the world. Through his adventures, Alex learned that life is about taking risks, overcoming challenges, and cherishing every moment. Now, let's go over some tips to help you improve your English listening and pronunciation skills. Listening to English regularly is one of the most effective ways to improve your comprehension and speaking skills. Surround yourself with the language by listening to English podcasts, radio shows, and music. This exposure will help you get used to the rhythm, intonation, and pronunciation of native speakers. Try to understand the context and meaning of what you hear, even if you don't catch every single word. Consistent listening practice will gradually enhance your ability to follow conversations and improve your own speech patterns. Watch English movies and TV shows. Pay attention to how words are pronounced. Watching English movies and TV shows is not only entertaining but also educational. Choose shows and films with clear dialogue and watch them with subtitles if necessary. Pay close attention to how actors pronounce words and phrases, and observe the context in which different expressions are used. Try to mimic their pronunciation and intonation to improve your own speaking skills. Re-watch scenes to reinforce your learning and practice repeating lines to gain confidence in your spoken English. Practice speaking English with a native speaker. Real-life practice is invaluable. Engaging in conversations with native English speakers provides invaluable real-life practice. Look for language exchange partners or join language learning communities where you can connect with native speakers. This interaction will expose you to natural speech, slang, and idiomatic expressions that you might not encounter in formal learning settings. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are a crucial part of the learning process. Native speakers can also provide immediate feedback and corrections, helping you to refine your language skills effectively. Read English books and articles. Improve your vocabulary and understanding of sentence structures. Reading extensively in English is a great way to expand your vocabulary and improve your understanding of sentence structures. Start with books, articles, and blogs that interest you, and gradually move on to more complex texts. Take note of new words and phrases, and try to use them in your own sentences. Pay attention to how sentences are constructed and the use of different tenses. Reading regularly will not only enhance your language skills but also expose you to a wide range of topics and writing styles. Record yourself speaking. Listen to your pronunciation and work on areas that need improvement. Recording yourself speaking can be a highly effective way to improve your pronunciation and fluency. Choose a topic or read a passage aloud. Then listen to the recording and compare it to native speakers. Identify areas where your pronunciation, intonation, or rhythm could be improved. This self-assessment technique allows you to pinpoint specific areas for improvement and track your progress over time. Regularly recording and listening to yourself can boost your confidence and help you become more aware of your speech patterns. Join English speaking clubs or online forums. Engage in conversations with others learning the language. Joining English-speaking clubs or participating in online forums can provide you with opportunities to practice and improve your English in a supportive environment. Engage in discussions on topics that interest you, and don't hesitate to ask questions or share your opinions. Interacting with other learners and native speakers in these settings will enhance your conversational skills and expose you to different perspectives and cultural nuances. These communities can also provide motivation and encouragement as you progress in your language learning journey. Use language learning apps. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, and Rosetta Stone can be very helpful. Language learning apps such as Duolingo, Babbel, and Rosetta Stone offer structured lessons and interactive exercises that can complement your language learning routine. These apps often include features like speech recognition to help you practice pronunciation, as well as gamified elements to make learning fun and engaging. They can be especially useful for practicing vocabulary, grammar, and listening skills. Incorporate these apps into your daily routine to reinforce what you've learned and track your progress through different levels and challenges. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, consistent practice is key to improving your English skills. Keep listening, speaking, and reading in English every day. Stay motivated and patient with your progress, as language learning is a gradual process.